Good morning, Panthers. How's everyone doing this morning? Thank you, Panthers, for 750 subscribers. Let us take it to 1,000 subscribers. Panthers, it's me again. As I've highlighted Panthers, I believe Panthers now believe without a doubt that numbers can really be calculated, right? Now, Panthers, what you need to understand about numbers, ne? In terms of your NPP, what are we talking about when you're referring to the NPP? We are talking about the positioning whereby you have to use those numbers, right? Let's say we have an NPP of 2, 4. You have to go to a number that is sitting at position 2. We have to go to the number that is sitting at position 4. That is the NPP. So if you don't understand which numbers must you use for every draw, it is going to be very difficult for you to understand what are you doing, right? Right, as a validated pandas, the main group is expected to start on the 18. Yeah, it is expected to start on the 18. The pandas that wishes to subscribe for the main group, as a validated, the main group is going to start on the 18. And the pricing, in terms of the pricing, the main group, it is 1,000 payable monthly. All right, for the predictions of Ukraine Maxima, 545, Ukraine UK 49, and also daily lotto, right? And also daily lotto. And by the way, the day before yesterday, it was a big feast on daily lotto, right? Now let us see and then how these numbers played. My contact numbers, those that wishes to subscribe, Pandas, text me only when you wishes to subscribe for the main group, or you want to purchase what you want to purchase the PDF information. I said the PDF information, they're selling at 300 including lessons. I'm going to sell you the PDF and also offer you lessons, right? Now yesterday it is whereby on tea time, or on UK 49, my bet on UK 49, it is whereby the NPP that you have, it does not impact lunchtime but then impact tea time, right? Now the NPP that I had on the 14, right? Yesterday was the 15, if I'm not mistaken, right? Today it is 16, right? Yeah, that NPP that on the 14 it impacted 15 tea time, right? We had the NPP of what? We had the NPP of 3-4 on the 14. Let me go here. We had this NPP of 3-4 on the 14. We had this NPP of 3-4 on the 14. And then this impacted tea time, did not impact lunchtime straw yesterday, right? Now, when we go on the 14, we are going to check for the number that is sitting at position 3 and also the number that is sitting at position 4, right? Can you see there that we have 1, 2, 3, 4, right? 15 and 22 are the numbers that are sitting at position 3 and also position 4, right? I'd use these numbers 15, 22, right? What is our NPP? NPP, it is 3 and 4. Pandas have mentioned that if the numbers are playing from the NPP, they are substituting what? They are substituting the difference, and also they are substituting the pattern. If the numbers that are playing from the pattern, they are substituting the NPP, right? Now here we say now 15 plus 3 in terms of how do I know when I'm supposed to add? How do I know am I supposed to subtract? I can provide you everything on a silver platter. As I've highlighted, Panthers, the information it is available based on these things that I'm presenting. I'm only giving you 30% of what is in the PDF information, right? And also, Panthers, I'm going to ask you to be invest your time, your effort, your passion in having to understand numbers. It is going to be very, very difficult if you are too reliant on having to someone provide you with your numbers, right? It is going to be very, very difficult. So I prefer you to do it on your own. I'm going to give you daily lotto, and I'm also going to give you UK 49 in terms of the recap, what happened yesterday. All right. Now we have 15, and then we have the NPP of what? We have the NPP of 3. We say now 15 plus 3. Remember, I said this one, it impacted yesterday's tea time, right? 15 plus 3 is 18, right? Now, this one is what we call NPP down number. So we're always going to work on down numbers. The reason why I'm saying this is a down number because it is a combination of what? It is a combination of even and odd, right? So we have to balance the equation, right? I'm going to take this number to what? I'm going to take this number to an odd number. I'm going to take this number to an odd number. So we have 15 and 21, right? Now 15 and 21, I'm going to say 21 minus, no, my bad. I'm going to say 21 plus 4. 21 plus 4 equals to what? It equals to 25, right? We have calculated and we also predicted what? We also predicted a 25. We calculated and predicted 18 and 25. Can you see that? 18 and 25. Now let us go in yesterday's store and check whether 18 and 25 played, and then what is the NPP, right? Can we see here? Position 2 we saw 18 playing, and then position 7 we saw 25 playing, right? Now these numbers I had banked them on what? I had banked them on lunchtime. I was not able to repeat these numbers for tea time through. You understand? Now, as I've highlighted pandas, yesterday I shot myself in the foot. But then you need to understand, in terms of the DRD, if it is not going to play from the NPP side, it is also going to play from the pattern side. You need to understand what is your DRD today in order for you to predict. What is your DRD? Of which I can't give you everything on a silver platter. Now let us move on to our South African Daily Lotto. Even that one yesterday, I was not able to come out with the right numbers. Our NPP, the one that impacted the day before. I think it was the 14. Let me give you the 14 so that I can give you an idea where did I get my numbers, right? Now on the 14, our NPP was sitting at 1 1.5. It was 1 and 5. Let us go on South African Daily Lotto. It was 1 and 5, right? Now the number that it was sitting at 1 and 5 on the 13, right? Remember, we want the results that are going to play on the 14. We are going to use the one that played on the 13, and we are also going to use the one that played on the 14 to get to the one that played on the 15, right? We have 630, right? 6. Let me write everything in an organized format, right? We have the NPP of 1 5. 1 5 is 630, right? Now this one, it is DRD. I'm going to write my DRD. I'm not going to give you an exact date, right? I'm going to say 30 minus DRD plus 1 plus 31 minus the PD, right? Now this difference, this formula gave me a difference of 44. This formula gave me a difference of 44, but of which here I've restricted information. I'm going to refer this as X. I can't give you the DRD date, right? Now this 44, we are going to work it out with what? With 30, right? 6 and 30. 6 and 30, and then we have a difference of what? We have a difference of 44. We say 6 plus 4. 6 plus 4, it is 10. 30 plus 4, it is 34. 10, 34. Let us go and check for 10 and 34 on the 14. 10 and 34 was what? 10 and 34 was a number that is sitting at position 1, while 34 is a number that is sitting at position what? Position 5. So we have an NPP of what? We have an NPP of 1 and 5. Now going into the result that played on the 15th, it is very, very possible that the current NPP that we have, it is going to be very, very possible that it plays. All right. Now, can you see here? We saw 1 and 4 playing on yesterday's results on Daily Lotto, right? The reason why 1 and 4 it played it because is it 1 and 4? Yes, it is 1 and 4. All right. It is to accommodate. Remember, the 10 and 34. Our NPP is 1 and 5, which is 10 and 34. They are sitting here. All right. Can you see here? It is odd, even it is odd and odd. So in order to balance your equation, right, whenever we have an odd and odd, it is very, very advisable that we're going to take what? We are going to make it a combination of both, right? In terms of having to balance your even and odd, right? You have 1 and also we have what? An even number. This one is an odd number, and then this one is an even number. We saw these numbers playing yesterday. From what? From the NPP of 10 and 34. Right? Now, as I've highlighted, Pandas, the main group is expected to start on the 18th. Those that wishes to subscribe for the main group Pandas, you can text me on these numbers 062 335 1836. Those are my WhatsApp line. You can also text me. You can also call me on that number. Pandas, it is very, very advisable. Those that will be making any payment, it is also very advisable that you video call me first before you can make any payments, because I'm trying to avoid you being scammed, because there are so many imposters that are portraying to be Tego JT. Pandas, if it is not Tego JT, then it is not me. Remember to stake what you can afford to lose. And also, Pandas, thank you for commenting, liking, and subscribing. See you on the next one. Let us comment, like, and subscribe. Thank you, Pandas, for 750 subscribers. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.